How do you clear and start over in H&R Block Online? Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of H&R Block, then log into your account. Then navigate to your current tax return on the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the My Taxes section where your return is displayed. Open the return you want to clear and restart. Find the menu or settings icon, usually at the top or side of the screen. Click on the option labeled Clear and Start Over. Confirm your choice when prompted. Keep in mind that clearing your return will permanently delete all data entered so far. Once the return is cleared, H&R Block will redirect you to the start of the tax filing process. You can now re-enter your tax information from scratch. By following these steps, you can easily clear your tax return and start over in H&R Block Online, ensuring a clean slate for accurate tax filing. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.